Hi everyone, Miss Andronicus here, and this is solving two-step equations with distributive law. The first example is -4 outside of the brackets of x take y equaling 28. So in this example, we still need to solve x. Now, ordinarily with brackets, remember, we always try to get rid of them first and calculate what's inside of them first. In this example, though, obviously, always with algebra, it's impossible to work out what x take 5 is because we don't know what that x equals. So instead, we need to distribute so that we can get rid of the brackets and then try to work out x. So using our arches, as we've learnt in the distributive law video, using our arches, we need to proceed down. So lining up our equals as we have been, the 28 will stay the same here. That other side will remain unchanged. So negative by a positive is always going to be a negative answer. 4 times x is just 4x. Now, negative by a negative is a positive. 4 times 5 is going to be 20. Now, we've got -4x plus 20, and we can solve this two-step equation. So, get rid of the 21st. So, subtract 20 off both sides to cancel it away. So, -4x and 28 take 20 is just 8. Divide by -4, divide by -4, cancel that off. X now equals, that's going to be a negative answer, -2. Absolutely, you can do your check with this, and I'll just do it over the side so you can see. So I'm going to check that the -4 and -2, I'm going to replace x, subtract 5. I want to check all of that equals 28. Because I now have values for what's in the brackets, I'm going to do that first. So the negative and the negative, that's going to be, keep the -4 the same. 2 and 5, that's altogether -7. And of course it's a multiplication between the two. We can't forget that. Negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 7, 28. Yep, we are correct. Example number 2, a little bit trickier, but we can handle this. Again, we need to get rid of those brackets. We've got to distribute. So we use our arches. That is the first step that we do. So 2 times 3 is 6. X. 2 times x, again that's a plus. 2 times x is 2x. And we keep the plus 6 the same. And that all equals 30. Now, as you can see, we can box up. We have like terms. Connect those together. So we've got 6 plus 2 is 8x plus 6 equals 30. And then we subtract 6, cancel that away. 8x equals 24. Divide by 8, cancel. X equals 3. Notice all of the equal signs are all lined up nicely. All of the communication and the workings are there. And of course, you can go ahead and do your check to make sure that it all equals out. So you can do 2 and then 3 times 3 plus 3, because that's all what those brackets symbolize, plus 6. So we do 2 times, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 6. 2 times 12 is 24, plus 6. 24 plus 6 is 30. Is that what we started with? Yes, it is. And that is how you solve algebraic equations using distributive law. Thanks, guys. Ciao for now.